Motorola Edge 70 with a curved screen surfaces and render, and it's already stirring excitement among smartphone enthusiasts, because after successful launch of the Motorola Edge 60 last month, all eyes are now on its successor, and the leaked render of the Edge 70 gives us a promising first look at what could be Motorola's most refined phone yet, showcasing a stunning curved OLED display that wraps elegantly over the edges, a design Motorola fans will immediately recognize and appreciate. But what really catches the eye is the triple rear camera setup, which is rumored to feature a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP 3x telephoto camera, offering a complete photography package right in your pocket. And under the hood, things are just as exciting, as the Edge 70 is expected to be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7400 or even a faster processor. Yes, a big leap from the Dimensity 7300 found in the Edge 60, and this new chip, coupled with a minimum of 12 gigabytes RAM, sets the stage for blazing performance and smooth multitasking, especially as Motorola is likely to integrate several AI-powered features that will enhance everything from photography to battery optimization. And speaking of style, the render teases a vegan leather finish on the back that adds a premium touch while keeping the device comfortable in hand, along with a plastic frame that keeps the phone lightweight without compromising durability. And for security and convenience, an in-display fingerprint scanner is clearly visible, hinting at Motorola's continued focus on delivering sleek and user-friendly designs. And now comes a big question. When will this beauty hit the market? Well, all signs point to a September 24th launch, and here's the clue. Just like the Edge 60 render showed April 23rd and launched the very next day, this new Edge 70 render displays the date September 23rd, suggesting a consistent pattern that aligns perfectly with Motorola's release strategy. And even more exciting is the possibility that the Edge 70 will be introduced alongside the Edge 70 Pro, giving fans a full range of options for different needs and budgets. And while we're still about 4 months away from launch, the render alone has generated buzz, and rightly so. Motorola seems to be blending performance, aesthetics, and practicality in a way that truly challenges other mid-range competitors. And with AI now playing a central role in smartphones, the Edge 70's potential to deliver smart enhancements in camera, battery, and user experience could set it apart from the crowd. And if the rumors about the Dimensity 7400 and 12 gigabytes RAM hold true, we're looking at a device capable of handling high-performance gaming, content creation, and multitasking with ease, all while looking stylish enough to stand out in your hand or on a desk. So whether you're into photography, streaming, or just want a powerful daily driver with cutting-edge tech, the Motorola Edge 70 might just be the phone to watch this fall. And as always, we'll be tracking every update, leak, and official announcement leading up to the big reveal. So don't miss out on any of the action. Make sure you're subscribed right here to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for tech leaks, smartphone news, and in-depth coverage of all things mobile.